Friends, most of you who have joined us here are business people who are looking for networks, who have already probably earlier experienced what it is to be a member of a network, or are looking forward to join a new network. So let me take you through the journey that you will experience when you join Empower Network. So as members, we have across the globe. Members are not limited to one specific geography area. This is across the globe. All the members from the across the globe will be joining us. This being a portal-based and virtual network, anybody can join from anywhere. So that's the beauty of it. And as soon as a member joins, he or she will be allotted to Empower Center, which is typically, you can view it as an incubation center where you understand the network, you understand how to use the portal for your business, how to extract maximum benefits for your business and grow your business. And this is an also opportunity for the network, the executive body, and you to identify the best fit, the best fit synod that will be most applicable to you. So this is how the Empower Center will work. There will be multiple Empower Centers based on time zones and geographies. As we grow, we will have multiple Empower Centers created. Once you have spent some time in Empower Centers, and of course the training, which is the most important ingredient of Empower Network, you will definitely undergo a lot of basic trainings within the Empower Center at a very highly subsidized rate, which we have already mentioned. Then you graduate to a synod. Through in a synod, it is much more structured meeting where you connect one-on-one with a lot of people, you discuss your business, you get referrals. And a synod being a complementing business categories where you can benefit from most of the referrals. That's how it will be themed. That is the synod you will join. And supposing you're a global business, you will not be necessarily connected with local. Since you're global, you can generate business globally. You will join a synod where you'll have global references or global people coming in. So that is how the best synod will be identified for you. And the only one of the categories separating synods will be also the time zone geography. For example, we'll try to see how convenient it can be for most of the people in the synod to connect on a virtual basis as well. And as we speak, wonderful structure for this synod meetings, the way we are going to conduct the synod meetings has been discussed and all the structures in place. And we are so excited to see how we can take it forward, and we can't wait enough to actually show this to you. So that's about the members journey, and throughout this journey there will be a track of the performance of the members. We are not only tracking the performance of the members, we are tracking the performance of the Empower Center. We will be tracking the performance of the synod. How is the synod being able to empower the members? How is it able to help the members grow their business? So the accountability and responsibility is much more with the network also, to help and empower our members. So the network itself is taking a lot of onus on itself to make sure that the business of our members grow.